If you're looking for the perfect air fryer, the best way to go is to look for the cheap and cheerful option. Here is what the best air fryers have to offer. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell icon before we start today's video on the top 5 best air fryers. Coming at number 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 6-quart large air fryer oven. The Instant Pot is a 6-in-1 air fryer, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and oven that can cook, steam, and sauté with ease. It can even make your favorite dishes, such as waffles, pancakes, and brownies, and it even has a built-in timer. It's a great kitchen tool to use for a wide variety of cooking and baking applications. Next, number 4. Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer is the perfect kitchen companion for busy families. With the ability to pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, and yogurt, the Foodi 9-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer makes it easier to create delicious meals. You can use the pressure cooker to quickly defrost and cook frozen meats or make your favorite soups. When you're done, you can drop the crisping lid to give your meal a crispy finish. Next, number 3. Ninja AF 101 Air Fryer, 4QT, Black/Gray. Air fryer is the new way to cook. With the Ninja Air Fryer, you can air fry, bake, grill, roast, steam, sauté, or broil with ease and convenience. Simply add ingredients, set the timer, and walk away. The Ninja Air Fryer is designed with a powerful motor that cooks with the precision and speed of a conventional oven. The Ninja Air Fryer will work with all your favorite recipes, including meats, vegetables, and desserts. Coming at number 2. Instant Pot 6.5-quart Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid 13-in-1 Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Duo 6.5-quart pressure cooker with air fryer is the most versatile kitchen tool ever created. The 13-in-1 functionality includes air fryer, pressure cooker, slow cook, sauté, steam, warm, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, yogurt, sous vide, and bread proofing. This is the perfect combination of a pressure cooker and an air fryer in one, with the ability to cook for hours in the pressure cooker and then finish cooking and serve in the air fryer. Last one, number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Oven Combo 5.8 QD Max XL Large Cooker. The Cosori Air Fryer combines the power of convection and induction cooking to deliver the fastest, healthiest, and most delicious fried foods possible. With the Pro, you can enjoy the benefits of the fastest cooking speed ever seen in an air fryer with a healthy, flavorful, and crispy fried food that you wouldn't believe was made without oil. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, check out our other videos. Goodbye.